Hi, my name is Parker. Today we're going to do a raisins experiment. And we're going to use, and if you want to do this with your parents, you need plastic cups, raisins, soda, and water. And when you do this, you need adults for help. And these are the kind of raisins that we have. And you might need light raisins because these are heavy raisins. Hi, we're back, and we need to separate the raisins into 8 raisins. Next step, this is your first step. You pour a bunch of water into a cup, and then. Next, we separate the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Next, you drop the raisins in. They're sinking. The way to it if you try 2 at a time. They still sink. What if you try 3 at a time? Actually, what if you try 4 at a time?
Don't let them stick. They'll stick together.
The results are they sank because gravity, when they were in here, it pulled them down. Now let's try a different experiment with soda. Now we're going to try it with Diet soda. Pour the soda in the cup. Next, you get 8 raisins again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have 8 raisins. Now let's see the results. Now the results are they're little dancing. They're dancing and the Diet Soda is splashing everywhere.
Float.
See? They float. Oh, see, Daddy. You're doing it. Daddy. I can't believe it. Bubble. Dad's floating. The reason why they're coming back up is because the little bubbles attach to like the little wrinkles, and then they come up and then they pop the bubbles, then they float all the way down again. Stay tuned for more family videos and more science experiments and more toy videos. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe!